Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Roblox, and this is gonna be great. We're playing Flood Escape. Now, I'm gonna jump. Can I question you? Question. Welcome to the Flood Escape. How can I help? I have an idea for this game. That's great. If you would like to share your idea, send Crazy Blocks a message. Can I ask you another question, please? Stop walking around, dude. Got you. Welcome to the flood. Oh, I'm not gonna read that. How do I play? I'm just asking. There are 5 models in this game. Which one do you need help with? Training mode, extreme mode. I responded. What? Okay. Look, no. This is the most difficult mode in all of the game. You need 10 wins and only have the air you average. Oh, okay. So, multiplayer. Four players need to escape. You know, a lot of people go on the one where there are a lot of people because they want to jump up and down like that. Hurry up, dude. We're not going to wait on long. Okay, that's weird. Hurry up, dude. Irvy Gaming, Ashley the Unicorn. Get a chance to meet Ashley the Unicorn. Is that actually following Ashley the Unicorn? Hurry up, bruh. Oh my. I said something big. Sister, oh my god, we're going down. Get ready. Go. I'm scared now. I'm shaking. Go. Okay. Go. No! Darn it. Go. I'm just gonna die. I'm gonna, what? No. Well, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for playing. I don't know if you guys follow me, but go follow me, Dr. Strawberry, on Roblox. And, yeah, goodbye. remember, always stay like a unicorn.